The sun is finally out, the heavy jackets are staying home, and today is all about the Women's Day. There is no better way to celebrate Women's Day and the start of spring than taking the Vespa out for a ride and hopping between some great coffee spots. No rush, no itinerary. Just enjoying the city. If you're new here and enjoy this kind of two-wheeled lifestyle, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Now, let's go get some coffee.
Да, и хай. Эй, Кирилл, спать.
Riding two up on a Vespa through the city is just incredibly efficient. You filter through the traffic without thinking twice, and you can park right in front of wherever you wanna go. Plus, at these city speeds, you can actually talk to your passenger and decide where to grab the next coffee on the fly instead of shouting over the wind noise. It's practical, it's fast, and it just works perfectly for a weekend date. If there's one thing Bucharest gets absolutely right, is the specialty coffee scene. We decided to do a bit of coffee hopping today. That's the beauty of days like this. You just pick a direction, find a good spot, and watch the city go by. Riding on two wheels isn't always about hitting the twisties outside the city. Sometimes it's just the perfect excuse to go out and grab a flat white. After weeks of cold weather, seeing everyone out on the streets changes the whole vibe of the city. Riding the Vespa today feels like the official start of the season. You can smell the spring air, the cafes are full, and there's just a great energy everywhere. This is exactly why I keep a scooter in the garage next to the motorcycle. It completely changes how you interact with your own city. Since it's Women's Day, the coffee was just the warm-up. We stopped for some of the best burgers in town to properly celebrate the 8th of March. It's just easy weekend living. You stash the helmets, grab a table, and enjoy the food. Sometimes the best rides are the ones spent just zipping through the entire city and taking in the vibe. Happy Women's Day to all the ladies out there, and to everyone else. I hope you managed to get out on two wheels this weekend. Drop a like if you enjoyed this chill Sunday ride, and I'll catch you in the next one.